Hi, Eva and Mark Greenwald, Eva's Best Travel and Cruises. We're here in Petra. We've got the caves behind us carved into the mountains. We've got some donkeys, and we've got some camels, and we've got more caves, and they have carvings inside. This was the home of the Nabateans, but the Romans... And you've got the natural sounds of the donkeys and the camels talking to each other. Here we've got some people coming on horseback. Really a lot of fun. And out of sight, this is where Indiana Jones, The Last Crusade was filmed, and you can see why. So come with us, Eva's Best Travel and Cruises, when we take you into Petra, Jordan, all of the Middle East, the U.S., and the world. Call us, 203-221-3171, 888-499-7245. Email us at Eva'sBestTravelandCruises.com. And check our website, Eva'sBestTravel. Enjoy.